Hello, this is a quick video showing you how easy it is to secure Excel spreadsheet files. So as you can see, this is actually the spreadsheet that I have a new students in their Chromebook number, so that I can keep up with that. But it's actually really easy now. It used to be harder, but now you just go to File, make sure that you save the file, go to File, then go to Protect Workbook under Info, and then you just pick Encrypt with a password. Then you come up with a password, and then it makes you type it again, and then if it doesn't match, it says that. So make sure that they're identical, and that is all you need to do to secure the file. Now, it's really important that you pay attention to this caution right here. If you lose or forget the password, it can't be recovered. So it would be a good idea for you to have some kind of safe place to keep up with that. Now, as for actually sharing the document itself after you've protected it, you can email the document, but you do not want to put the password in the same email as a document. Preferably, you would tell the password to the person in person or call them, but failing that, you can send a separate email, preferably without the words "here's the password" to that file I just sent you. So anyway, that is how you protect an Excel document with a password.